Street Travelers. As you can see today, we are at beautiful EPCOT. EPCOT is in Orlando, Florida on the Walt Disney World campus. Today I'll be going around, I'll be showing you all the restaurants and all the attractions, and even show you some of the places to get a drink. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you. As you first enter the park, you'll obviously notice Spaceship Earth. Spaceship Earth has a slow-moving ride throughout the centuries of technology. It's a good place to cool off throughout the day. There are 4 neighborhoods in EPCOT: World Showcase, World Celebration, World Nature, and World Discovery. When you first enter EPCOT, you're in World Celebration. World Celebration is where you'll find many of the gardens of EPCOT, Spaceship Earth, as well as many good food and shopping opportunities, including Connections Cafe. The newest area that is opened within EPCOT is the brand new Communicore Hall and Plaza. On this day, they were doing sing-alongs in the plaza area, and the hall is a nice place to cool off. World of Discovery has both my favorite roller coaster and my favorite restaurant and lounge. My favorite roller coaster being Guardians of the Galaxy, and my favorite lounge and restaurant being at Space 220. Another space-themed attraction within the World of Discovery is Mission to Mars. Mission to Mars has 2 different settings: an orange, which is the more intense version, and the green, which is an easier version. The orange version may make you feel sick, so the green may be more recommended. Also in World Discovery, you'll discover Test Track, which is currently closed for refurbishment, although this offers one of the more exciting rides within Disney when it is open. Running by, you can see the monorail, which is one of the 4 main ways of getting to EPCOT. Also are the Skyliners, car, and bus. We now enter the World Showcase, in which we take a walk around the world within EPCOT. Our first stop around the World Showcase is in Mexico. Mexico has a couple of very good dining options, 2 of which are seated and 1 of which is an outdoor stand that you can have a seat after you order. Mexico obviously also has some very good drink options, including frozen drinks, and a very good drink stand within the temple. Characters you can find within Mexico include Donald Duck. In addition, you can see live mariachi bands play throughout the day. San Angel Inn within the pavilion at Mexico has very good food and offers a beautiful scenic view. I would highly suggest trying in here. In addition, in the pavilion, the bar is outstanding and serves excellent drinks made with tequila. Next on our tour is Norway. Norway hosts one of the most popular rides within Epcot, which is Frozen. In addition, you can meet Elsa and her sister Anna. There is a restaurant and a dessert place in Norway, and both are very good. Next on the path is China. China has some very good food options, and its only attraction is a movie. There are no thrill attractions within China, however, it is still a nice land to visit. As you continue your path around the world, you'll cross into Africa. Africa has a food stand and some souvenir shops, however, there is no additional attractions within Africa. Next up around the world is Germany. Although Germany has no attractions, it more than makes up for it in drinks and food. You can explore and have some of their excellent caramel treats, as well as do some shopping or go to their German buffet. Another fun thing in Germany is tasting their various alcohols, of which you can purchase samples. There are very many different that you may never have heard of in the United States. Also in Germany is an amazing model railroad. As Walt Disney himself was a fan of trains, this is a very nice railroad set and has been put together well. As you can see, details including smoke coming out of the chimney stacks. We now enter into Italy. Again, Italy has no attractions, however, it has some good food and drinks. From here, you can go and have authentic style pizza at Via Napoli, or you can go into their other restaurant and have authentic pasta. In addition, the drinks, including the Italian margarita, are very good and delicious. About halfway around the world, you'll come into the United States area. In the United States, you can see a video, you can take in some barbecue, or you can sit and watch a show at the amphitheater. Disney brings in many performers, including Broadway stars and stars of the 80s, as well as hosts the Candlelight Processional here, which is a key for many people throughout the holidays. Japan has arguably the best landscaping in all of Disney World combined. I love the gardens and the koi pond especially. Although there are no attractions within Japan, you can listen to their drummers, enjoy a great meal, or sip on traditional sake.
The history of taiko Japanese drumming goes back centuries. It began in religious ceremonies and shrines and has changed throughout the years. Drums were used in festivals for praying for rain, for crops, and were even used by soldiers in the battlefield. This group originated from Tokyo, Japan, where this cherished tradition of drumming has also become an exciting, highly visual art form. The name of the group, Matsuri-za, means the festival of drumming. When they are ready, let the festivity continue.
Morocco is the only pavilion that was actually sponsored by its own government. The government also provided laborers to come and work on the Moroccan pavilion. You can sample some Moroccan food within this pavilion, and in addition see some architecture that is unique to Morocco. Next up we come to France. As you'd expect, France is a great place for those who love a drink, especially wine or champagne. In addition, the food is excellent in France. Finally, France is home to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, which is a great ride for the whole family. I would suggest you try to get on it early, as this ride gets very popular throughout the day. England, or more correctly the United Kingdom area of Epcot, has a very good bar and also a very good restaurant in the Rose and Crown. In addition, you can also get fish and chips from a stand. This is a cozy little area that covers England, Scotland, and Ireland. Our last stop around the world is in Canada. Canada has beautiful landscaping with its small model of Bouchard Gardens. Canada also has a steakhouse, as well as probably the best snack in the park, which is at their maple popcorn stand. The final land that we visit is World Nature. World Nature has several attractions, including Figment, Living with the Land, Soarin', as well as Finding Nemo. In addition, there's also Moana's Water Adventure. You can eat at several places in the World Nature, including the Coral Reef Restaurant, as well as several options in the Land Pavilion. I hope you enjoyed the video today in this review of EPCOT. If you did, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe, as it helps me spread the word about all these wonderful places you can go. And always have a nice day.